Welcome to this quick tutorial on Inter-VLAN routing. Let's get your network talking across VLAN in no time. Virtual VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network, logically segment a network to improve performance and security. They allow devices in different physical locations to communicate as if they were on the same network. Inter-VLAN routing can be done using three ways. The router and a stick use a single router interface with sub interfaces on each VLAN. Layer 3 switch performs routing directly using switch virtual interfaces. Separate interfaces assigns a dedicated router interface to each VLAN. Simple but port intensive. Step by step live inter-VLAN configuration. In this video, I will discuss about layer 3 switch. Inter-VLAN communication. In the next video, I will show you router on a stick and a separate interface for each VLAN. Now, in this video, I will show you inter-VLAN routing using layer 3 switch. For this, I'll select switch, layer 3 switch. This one is our layer 3 switch. And devices, hold control key. Connection, patch cord, straight through. But if this you don't know, then choose this selection. This is interfaces are coming automatically. If it is not appearing in your system, then go to option, preferences, always show port label. The color, like yellow, let's say. Green. Some notes. Say this is a VLAN. VLAN 10 192.168.1.0 network. Let's say this is office, and this one is VLAN 20 192.168.2.0 network, and this is library area. Default gateway for VLAN 192.168.1.100 for VLAN 10, and for VLAN 20 168.2.100. Now CLI, no, enable configuration T, host name, you can name anything you want. VLAN 10, creating VLAN, name it office. VLAN 20, name it library, and interface range F0/1-2, switch port access VLAN 10, interface 3-4, switch port 20, IP routing, interface VLAN 10, IP address 192.168.1.100, 255.255.255.0, no shutdown, interface VLAN 20, IP address 192.168.2.100.255.250, no shut, do copy running configuration to startup configuration, enter. It's okay. One 92.168.1.2, copy it. It's okay. Now we will think it's on in VLAN 10, 22.168.1.1.3. It's working. Let's bring in other VLAN. 2.3. Initial packet will drop, after that it will come. Once it lands, yes, it's working. Check it from other side. Thing 192.168.3. So it's working. So you have seen inter-VLAN routing using layer 3 switch. In the next video I will show you router inter-VLAN using router as a stick, and for each VLAN we will use another separate interface. The two methods we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on industrial communication. Stay tuned for more.